In this video, we will show you how to change out readers on the AD Series 993 exit trim. This process differs slightly from the AD Series cylindrical and mortise locks. In this example, we will change from a keypad reader to a Multi-Tech Plus keypad reader. The process is the same for all reader types. These are the tools you will need for the reader change. If this is a hardwired trim, ensure all power is turned off before proceeding. Remove the top and bottom covers from the inside assembly. If this is a battery-powered trim, unplug the battery connector and remove the battery pack. Unplug the ribbon cable from the connector. Remove the two screws underneath the exit device center case on the inside of the door. Remove the two screws from the bottom of the inside assembly that secure the universal plate. Remove the outside assembly and universal plate from the door, pulling the ribbon cable out carefully. Remove the two screws on the back of the universal plate that secure the credential reader and remove the reader. Seat the new reader into the outside assembly, ensuring the electrical connection is aligned and the gasketing is in the groove. Resecure the new reader to the outside assembly using the two mounting screws. Be careful not to over-tighten. Place the outside assembly onto the door. Feed the ribbon cable through the grommeted hole. Guide the four standoff posts into the top and bottom mounting holes and insert the tailpiece into the tailpiece guide. Push flush to the door without crimping the ribbon cable or the RX wiring. From the inside, reattach the two bottom screws and washers to the bottom standoff posts. Reinstall the two mounting screws. Carefully feed the ribbon cable through the bottom of the inside assembly. Reinsert the ribbon cable into the connector. Resecure the battery pack. Reconnect the batteries and replace both the covers. Depending on your access control system and your reader type, additional steps will be required to complete the reader change process. Consult your user guide for more details.